Hello everyone, it's me again. Today I will trash a myth, insert a dictator and give you a simple recipe to feed your vegetable for free. So let's take composting to the next level, and the secret of success is horse poo. Composting of horse manure supercharges your soil fertility. It doesn't require any special tools aside from a shovel or garden fork, and improves the capacity of soil water retention. Many people are worried about putting fresh manure directly onto the gardens or borders because some say that it can accurately remove nutrition from the soil and scorching plants. And the fresh manure is too strong to put directly onto the growing plants. Let me challenge this myth. Horse poo can be placed directly onto the soil of growing plants with no aid effect. Okay, let's be sensible. If the plants are very young or cough, they will be vulnerable to the high concentration of nitrogen, calcium, magnesium, and sodium. However, in my experience both in Myanmar and the UK, an established border or raised bed with no sulfur at all. Even the most delicate plant can thrive with fresh poo. For example, I have grown orchids using only fresh cow poo very successfully. I put my horse poo all over my garden for the flowers and vegetables. Now my secret recipe is called Myinnchi soda leachate. I take a spade full of fresh poo mixed with straw and place it in a bucket like so. I then fill it with water. I use my electric drill to mix everything up. I strain out the solids using my sieve and keep the liquid in a container ready to use instead of liquid feed for my houseplants and those in the greenhouse. This nutrition-laden water saves money and is great fun to prepare. Then I leave it for about a month, covered it with some cardboard. Here is one I did last month. I will put the solid back into my compost heap to continue decomposting. Some people have suggested that the solid can be used in the other way. For example, rumor has it that Myinnchi puts a lump in his coffee every morning. Leachate is the rainwater that has drained through the manure and has absorbed some other nutrients. Woo! That's it! Remember, Myinnchi soda leachate is the best! Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. And remember, don't put solid horse poo into your coffee unless you want to be thick like Lae Lae. Good luck with your gardening and see you later.